Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're staring at that frustrating blinking yellow light on your Dyson vacuum and wondering what's going on, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to fix it quickly and easily in 2025. Let's get started. First off, the blinking yellow light on your Dyson usually signals an issue like a clogged filter, a blockage in the machine, or even a low battery. Don't worry. Most of these problems are straightforward to resolve with a few simple steps. Before we begin, make sure your device is turned off and unplugged for safety. Step 1. Check the filters. Dysons have washable filters that can get clogged with dust and debris over time. Remove the filter, give it a good rinse under cold water, and let it dry completely for at least 24 hours before putting it back. This alone fixes the issue about 70% of the time. Next, inspect for blockages. Turn your vacuum upside down and look for any hair, dirt, or objects tangled in the brush roll or airways. Use a pair of scissors or a tool to gently clear it out. Once that's done, reassemble and test your Dyson. If the light keeps blinking, try resetting the device. Hold down the power button for about 10 seconds, then release it. This can clear temporary glitches. Also, check your battery level. Dyson cordless models might need a full charge or even a replacement if it's old. One more tip. If none of these steps work, it could be a hardware issue. In that case, contact Dyson customer support or visit an authorized service center. They're usually super helpful and can guide you further. There you have it. Your Dyson should be back to sucking up dirt like a champ. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech fixes and home tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.